Hey y'all, it's your girl Princess Nini. Hey my prince and princesses. Welcome back to the Castle of Mukbang. So tonight is a real late night. It's like 2 a.m., maybe almost 3. But I'm hungry and I decided to give y'all a small little mukbang. I'm doing some wings and things. I'm in California, so you guys may not hear about that too much unless I got some Californians. But I'm doing a single meal, so it comes with some tender strips, and I've got them medium, so they're pretty spicy. Garlic breadstick and all celery. I love celery with some ranch. So, it's not a midnight snack, but it's a late night snack. And I've got some fruit punch. So, I'm going to just go ahead and get right into the video, because this is seriously late night and I'm seriously hungry. So, let's get right into it. You guys can feel free to like ask questions, do Q&A, story time. Like if y'all got particular topics and shit to talk about, I have a little bit of a better view. I found me a little prop to help at least sit me up so I could be comfortable and eat at the same time. So, if it's y'all's first time visiting the channel, I do burp and smack. So, I don't feel like I'm excessive. If y'all do, you can let me know, but one thing about me, if my food's good, it's kind of hard to stop. But I try to be considerate of others. I was taught with manners. But again, this is Castle of Mukbang. And this is Princess Nini. So I kind of do what I want to do. That celery and ranch is everything. There's some extra sauce right here. I'm dipping my bread in. Nice and hot. Ooh, look at that juicy chicken. Nice and spicy. Dip it in a little ranch here. That's really good. So, it's officially Saturday morning. I'm so glad it's the weekend. Like I said, the reason I don't come with videos all the time like that is because I work full time, so I be tired. I get up at 4:30 every morning to get myself ready so I could be at work by 6. So I do be tired, y'all. But y'all, please like, share, subscribe, thumbs up this video. I'm trying to bring y'all new stuff. Like I said, right now, being that I'm working full time, I'm trying to bring you something at least once a week, if not a couple times a week, until things really start flowing. But I feel like I've been doing well with my consistency with bringing y'all a mukbang. So, like I said, I'm still trying to get things on point. Now, for whatever reason, my first mukbang, YouTube made it age restricted. They said there was some content in there, I'm not sure what. But let's try to get at least one of my videos to at least 3K likes. And let's try to get my subscribers up. Let's try to get me to my 1,000. I'm at 300 and something. So, like I said, I'm a new booty here. But I love the YouTube community. That's so good and spicy. Like I said before, I really love spicy food. Not too spicy to where you can't taste it, but just the right amount of spice. And this celery is really everything. Like when I go here, they usually have the mixed bag veggies with the carrots and celery. But I love all celery. Something about the crunch and the flavor is just so good. Have some more of this fruit punch. This is so good. Again, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I really want to bring you guys along on my prince and princesses in the castle of Mukbang. There's so much in store. Like I said, things aren't necessarily taking off at the rate that I would want them to, because I literally just moved into my new spot, but I'm slowly getting things together. So, excuse me, it's totally worth it. Excuse me. And the way that I love seafood, I will definitely, once everything starts really rolling and everything's in place how it should be, I will be giving you guys a seafood boil at least once a week. So, let's get that under wraps. Because if you're anything like me with the seafood mukbangs, like, I live for those. So good. I'm tearing that ranch up. I knew this was gonna be quick, but hopefully you guys still enjoy. Like I said, it's super late, but I woke up hungry, so here I am. Ranch on it. Oops. Spilled that lovely ranch dressing, but I cleaned it up. I was so hungry that this little bit actually got me full because I ate so fast. And I made a mess. Oh my goodness. I stopped trying to get my thumbnails because, like I said, I'm new to this. I'm totally a new booty. I don't even know how to put my thumbnails up yet. So, I held off on the thumbnails for now. Plus, I'm working on trying to get my intro together. And all that fun, yummy stuff. So, please, 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 whatever feedback, advice, suggestions, I'm open to them. Let's keep the negative stuff away. Positive vibes only. And let's see what we can come up for the Castle of Mukbang. Excuse me. I have another piece of celery, but I don't have no more ranch. So that's out. Oh my god. That is so fire. Woo. Excuse me. I really love this view a lot more. And the fact that y'all can see me while I eat and I can be comfortable. That meant a lot to me, guys. So that was definitely a great feeling. But I am done. And I appreciate y'all so much. Sorry, that was one of those moments.